Hello and welcome back. In this video I've got a simple unboxing of an iPad Pro 11-inch M4 from 2024, so let's just get straight to it. To the front, Apple logo on that side, another one that side, iPad Pro label that side, and again that side. On the back, just got a description of what it is, so iPad Pro 11-inch M4, specifically the 256 gig model. Let's open it up. Two tabs again. And slide the top off. Nothing underneath. And there we go. Just pop that on one side for a moment, see what else we get. So we've got a USB-C to USB-C braided cable. Matches the colour of the iPad, so I've gone for the black or space grey, whichever the description they're using this year. See the braiding on that cable. And then we've got a ton of documentation, just a quick setup guide, and it's in various languages, but no Apple stickers as usual. That seems to be the thing now. Okay, put the box to one side. Let's get to the iPad itself. So it just comes in this paper packaging. Let's just get that taken off. Relatively easy to do until you unrip it like I did. Oops. You see camera, 3 connector pins. So on the top, we've got a power button, 2 speakers and a microphone. On the right side, we've got volume rocker, connector for Apple Pencil, and then right down the bottom, a microphone. And then nothing on that side. Then we've got other 2 speakers and a USB-C connector, although I think it's Thunderbolt this as well. Let's turn it on. Yep, that's working. And there's the welcome screen. So this was just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to do a review of it as of yet. That might come later on, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.